Welcome back. Today, we practice English speaking. Listen and repeat. Speak clearly. Speak with confidence. Let's start. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I drink some water. I drink some water. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read my messages. I read my messages. I get dressed. I get dressed. I leave the house. I leave the house. I take the bus. I take the bus. I go to work. I go to work. I start my tasks. I start my tasks. I answer emails. I answer emails. I talk to my boss. I talk to my boss. I help my coworker. I help my coworker. I take a short break. I take a short break. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I finish my work. I finish my work. I go back home. I go back home. I get home late. I get home late. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I feel tired today. I feel tired today. I turn on the TV. I turn on the TV. I check social media. I check social media. I call my friend. I call my friend. How are you today? How are you today? I am doing well. I am doing well. What did you do? What did you do? I worked all day. I worked all day. Ow, that sounds busy. That sounds busy. Yes, very busy. Yes, very busy. Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. What time is good? What time is good? 6 is fine. 6 is fine. See you then. See you then. Take care. Take care. Good night. Good night. I wake up late today. I wake up late today. I feel very sleepy. I feel very sleepy. I need more sleep. I need more sleep. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I look for my bag. I look for my bag. Where is my wallet? Where is my wallet? I can't find it. I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Oh, here it is. I hurry outside. I hurry outside. The street is busy. The street is busy. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The bus is late. The bus is late. I check the time. I check the time. I send a message. I send a message. I will be late. I will be late. New problem. New problem. Take your time. Take your time. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I start my day. I start my day. I feel hungry now. I feel hungry now. 2-2. Let's order food. Let's order food. What do you want? What do you want? I want rice. I want rice. I prefer chicken. I prefer chicken. That sounds good. That sounds good. Let's share it. Let's share it. The food is ready. The food is ready. It smells great. It smells great. This tastes good. This tastes good. I like this meal. I like this meal. Can I have water? Can I have water? Here you go. Here you go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. I am full now. I am full now. That was delicious. That was delicious. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. I'll wash the dishes. I'll wash the dishes. I'll dry them. I'll dry them. I need to go shopping. I need to go shopping. Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Yes. Buy some milk. Yes, buy some milk. I also need bread. I also need bread. Let's go now. Let's go now. The store is nearby. The store is nearby. Take a basket. Take a basket. Where is the milk? Where is the milk? It's over there. It's over there. Check the price. Check the price. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. This one is cheaper. This one is cheaper. Let's get this one. Let's get this one. Do we need eggs? Do we need eggs? Yes. Get a dozen. Yes, get a dozen. That should be enough. That should be enough. 2. Let's go to the cashier. Let's go to the cashier. Cash or card? Cash or card? I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. Here is your receipt. Here is your receipt. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. It starts at 10. It starts at 10. I need to prepare. I need to prepare. Did you finish the report? Did you finish the report? Yes, I sent it. Yes, I sent it. Please check your email. Please check your email. Let's begin the meeting. Let's begin the meeting. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you. Please share your screen. Please share your screen. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Here is the plan. Here is the plan. We need better results. We need better results. Let's work together. Let's work together. Any questions? Any questions? I have one question. I have one question. That's a good point. That's a good point. Let's discuss it later. Let's discuss it later. The meeting is over. The meeting is over. It's good job, everyone. Good job, everyone. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I am studying English. I am studying English. That's a good habit. That's a good habit. How long do you study? How long do you study? I study every day. I study every day. All practice makes progress. Practice makes progress. For Lee, let's study together. Let's study together. That sounds great. That sounds great. Open your notebook. Open your notebook. Write this sentence. Write this sentence. Read it again. Read it again. And speak more slowly. Speak more slowly. Try again. Try again. That was better. That was better. I don't give up. Don't give up. You are improving. You are improving. Keep practicing daily. Keep practicing daily. All confidence takes time. Takes confidence, takes time. Note, small steps matter. Note small steps matter. You can do it. You can do it. What time is it? What time is it? It is almost 9. It is almost 9. The day is ending. The day is ending. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. Today was productive. Today was productive. I learned something new. I learned something new. Let's plan tomorrow. Ellie, let's plan tomorrow. I have 3 tasks. I have 3 tasks. I will wake up early. I will wake up early. I will stay focused. I will stay focused. I will avoid distractions. I will avoid distractions. Success needs discipline. 20 success needs discipline. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am getting better. I am getting better. .com, step by step, in step by step. 8 one day at a time. 1 day at a time. It is time to sleep. It is time to sleep. Good night. I good night. I see you tomorrow. I see you tomorrow. I good work today. You spoke clearly. Do you practiced consistently? Remember, daily practice builds fluency. Daily repetition builds confidence. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. Come back tomorrow. We will practice again. Keep speaking. Keep improving. L.